Hello po.
Lote.
Taga Santos. Si Mark.
Taga Pretty Aya, taga Nueva Ecija.
Nueva Ecija. By the way, I'm from Indonesia, but I'm working in Siborna and also studying medicine here.
Oy, nice. But you're a Filipina, right?
No, I'm Indonesian. I live here 5 years now.
Ayaw, Indonesian. Bakit kanina tinanong mo ako, taga saan ka?
I speak Tagalog.
Wow! Amazing!
Oh, wait, Mark. Let me do it for you this. Can I give you some free kiss?
Free kiss?
Yeah.
Sure!
Okay, look at me, okay?
Salamat po, Mark. Salamat po.
Ay, pak! Iyo ka, hayop!